MVIS stock analysis and MVIS stock prediction. In this very short 1-minute video, I'm going to cover my exact and I'll show you my exact trade and how I'm going to look to play this. With Microvision, it's interesting, man. Like, ultimately, having done 40,000 videos over 5 years time period, I've seen what's making me money and what's not. With MVIS, had my demand zone. All I'm honestly looking to do is still double down on this. You can see beforehand had a win here. That was kind of a break even, so I'm just gonna ignore that really, and only if I really do see this shift in a double break, I'm gonna look to take it up. Other than that, man, randomly buying, it's not gonna be happening. So I will continue to keep you updated. This is here. If there is no confirmation, there is no buying. And if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails. I mean, with MVIS, I do have a lot of receipts as well. Right, you can see in the Discord, even ranging from 2023 back then. And yeah, man, like, see you in the next one.